joint 240 4-port 240 PVC cable, overlapping and center marking. Hundred on one side, from center on another side. Overall GI mat, the joint measurement 750 mm for armor cutting and providing backup ring. 50 mm for armor cutting on both. Outer sheet cutting using hacksaw blade. Removing outer sheet. Removing the armor and binding and secure the armor ends. Removing the inner sheet. Removing outer sheet on other side. Removing the armor on another side. Removing inner sheet on another side. Force on both sides. Separate and cleaning the force on both sides. Removing the outer sheet for providing backup ring for earthing purpose. Insert the outer tube on the lengthy side of the cable before crimping. Don't forget, insert the outer tube on the lengthy side of the cable. Insert the side tube on the shorter side of the cable before crimping. Don't forget. Small tube on individual cores before crimping. The small tubes in the individual cores before crimping. Side tube each on both sides. Small core tube on each core. Overall lengthy tube on the length side of the cable. Insert all tubes before starting crimping. Before cutting the insulation, mark half of the line connector plus 10 mm on each side. Insulation cutting. Before inserting the line connector, the core should be shaped as a round shape. Since the cable is a sector and the line connector is the round connector, it has to be shaped properly. Before inserting the line connector, the core should be shaped in the round connection and before removing the insulation. Before starting crimping, the line connector should be marked from center. Minimum 4 crimpings has to be carried out. Pull in the marking correctly and crimp correctly.
Okay.
Insert the line connector after removing the insulation as half of the line connector plus 10 mm and after shaping the core. Before starting crimping, mark the center in the line connector. Minimum 4 crimpings are necessary for the LT straight joint. Mark the space for the 4 crimpings before starting crimping.
நல்லா ஓப்பன் பண்ண ப்ளஸ் போடுங்க. இது கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமாக தான் இருக்கும் 120 இல்லை. போடுங்க இருக்கு போடுங்க.
Crimp the connector on the either side. First one side,
okay.
Second crimping on other side, then one side and other side. All the 4 poles uniformly, filing the burrs in the connector. If any unwanted burrs may cause failure in the joint, and it's an important thing to clean all the burrs by using the filing. The surface should be smooth and even. The line connector portion must be smooth and even. Black mastic tape over the connector, line connector portion. The line connector portion should be completely covered by the black mastic. Any sharp edges may cause damage to the tube. Covering the line connector with black mastic only, the tube should be positioned.
எடுங்க.
அந்த இதெல்லாம் தெரியாமல் ஃப்ளோ பண்ணுங்க.
The black mastic tape should be covered for all the cores evenly, and that should also be smoothen and even. Now position all the insulation sleeves on each core. All the cores has to be synced simultaneously, and it should be moved throughout the entire portion evenly, and the flame should be a soft blue flame, and no pencil like thin blue flame should be used. All the cores should be simultaneously synced, and from the center towards the end. The shrinking should be done from center towards the end, and the air bubble has to be carried over to the end. The shrinking should be carried out uniformly, and there should be no air bubbles. The insulation sleeve, providing the separator to provide the even space between four cores. Insert the separator between the four cores. Now each core should not be touched. Each core should be separated by using that separator, which is applied along with the kit. After providing the separator, wrapping the non-adhesive tape, that is for providing the inner sheath. First, conductor to conductor, line connector. Then after a wrapping of the black mastic tape, then the insulation sleeve should be shrinked. After that, the inner sheath, the separator has to be inserted, and after that, for providing inner sheath, the non-adhesive tape should be wrapped over the entire cable by the overlapping 50% one another. That non-adhesive tape should be wrapped throughout the joint section by 50% overlapping. Then wrap the GI mat over the insulation, PVC inner sheath insulation, and this is the armor continuity. This GI mat gives the armor continuity and both the earthing purpose. After wrapping the non-adhesive insulation tape, then wrap the GI mat over that joint portion. Tighten the GI mat using the Jubilee clamp at the end of the mat. Tighten the GI mat using the Jubilee clamp at both sides. Providing Jubilee clamp for tightening the backup ring and earthing purpose. Jubilee clamp providing. Then insert the
யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன்.
then insert the copper flexible.
இங்கே இப்போ ரைட்.
Then insert the copper flexible throughout the joint and tighten it with the Jubilee clamp. Just using the black mastic tape. Sharp edges using that black mastic tape. The sharp edges should be covered. After covering the sharp edges using the mastic tape, the lengthy tube should be positioned. That outer lengthy tube should be positioned. This lengthy tube is for the purpose of outer sheath. Then shrink the tube. After positioning the tube, shrink the outer tube from center towards the outside. And there should not be any air bubble. The air bubble should be carried over towards the end, and the shrinking should be smooth and airtight. And the flame should be a soft blue flame from center towards the end. Shrinking should be done from center towards the end, and it should be an airtight, and air bubble should be carried over. And it should not be focused on the one position. It should be moved evenly. The blow lamp should be moved evenly. Shrinking the main outer sleeve, side sleeve should be positioned. It should avoid the water entry towards the joint. Side sleeves on both sides should be positioned 50% on the armor and 50% on the main sleeve. After shrinking the main tube, side sleeve should be positioned on both sides like 50% on the main sleeve and 50% on the armor. Then shrink the side sleeve using the blow lamp from center to the end. Care should be taken while shrinking the tube, and air bubble should not be stacked and it should be airtight, and care should be taken while shrinking the tube and using the blow lamp.
ഇത്